In this video, we are going to discuss brand management. We will try to understand as to what brand management is and why it is so important for a marketer. So what is brand management? According to Investopedia, brand management is a function of marketing that uses techniques to increase the perceived value of a product line or brand over time. Effective brand management enables the price of products to go up and builds loyal customers through positive brand associations and images or a strong awareness of the brand. Developing a strategic plan to maintain brand equity or gain brand value requires a comprehensive understanding of the brand, its target market, and the company's overall vision. For example, once you walk into a Starbucks, you know as to what kind of service you can expect in the cafe. The kind of service remains the same all across the world in different countries, wherever you go. Now, on the one hand, consistency in a product or service helps the consumer to become loyal for the company. On the other hand, a company can also charge premium for their product or service with respect to the competition. So, how old is the concept of brand management? It's pretty old. The discipline of brand management is as old as the brand itself. But the modern discipline of brand management is almost 85 years old. Now, why do we say 85 years old? It all started in 1931 at Procter & Gamble based on the famous memo written by Neil McElroy. The memo was written by Neil for the additional manpower required for his brand team for Camé. Are you familiar about the Camé brand? He was of the view that all the brands require a concentrated effort as if it were a separate business. Now, in this way, the different brands would be distinguished from others. The memo has such an impact on the marketing and brand management per se that it is still widely emulated by many FMCG and other companies all across the world. So you find Unilever, P&G, all these companies are following that. Now you need to remember, brand is the art and cornerstone of marketing. And that's why it is the biggest job of the marketer to manage the brand well. Now let us recap. In this video, we discussed the meaning and importance of brand management. Brand management is a function of marketing that uses techniques to increase the perceived value of a product line or brand over time. Although the concept is pretty old, it has got its modern avatar in 1931. Thank you.